Just look at this. Just look at this treatment. Very reddish, right? So I'm going to be telling you what I added, the ingredients. Very simple, like purely natural. This is for everyone. You can see my lip, very smooth, very clear. Like this treatment, you can call it a scrub. You can also call it a moisturizer. 2-in-1 to make sure you have a very smooth, attractive lip. Consider subscribing in case you are new here. This is very important so that whenever I upload videos, you get to see and come and watch. You can check my other videos. I have so very interesting videos for you, very educating video for you that will help your skin to revive, that will take care of blemishes, that will get rid of dead skin cells, that will make you look beautiful with no makeup. You don't need makeup on your skin all the time. You can just have your bath, then stay at home with no makeup. You can also go out with no makeup and your skin will be, thanking you for it. So this is for lip care. The cover of this video is showing that any age can make use of this treatment and you obtain a very good lip even at your old age. Yes, your old age is just a number. You can also acquire a very good skin, a tighter skin, a supple skin, a well moisturized skin, very hydrating skin, supple skin, glowing skin. You really need to take care of your lip all the time. Like I just applied this just a little. You can see the color is showing, but underneath you can see that my lip is not so black, and that is because I make use of these treatments once in a while. Just 3 ingredients, and you will thank me later. So the first one is sugar. Use white sugar. White sugar is tougher than brown sugar, and that is because you need to scrub out those dead skin cells on your lip. Like, it's very important to do this every day, because sometimes you will notice that when you do like this, it will look so rough. Like, you don't need a rough lip. You need a well moisturized lip. You need a supple lip. You need a lip that is very inviting, very, very attractive, very nice, like to look at. Okay, so sugar will help to get rid of dead skin cells, to give you a smooth finishing. You will love it. Also, sugar hydrates the lip skin, making your lip to look so nice to look at, like I said earlier. So the next one, you have to get beetroot. So I'm displaying beetroot on the screen because I just added it in here and it got finished. So I don't have the one to display right now, but I can show it on the screen right now for you to see. Beetroot is very important for the skin, like not only for the health benefit, of course. It helps in getting rid of darkness on the lip. Those that have dark lips, it helps to brighten it. It helps to make it lighter. It gives a very pinkish or reddish look, make your lip to get brighter and beautiful. The one I love most about beetroot is that it supplies great nourishment to the skin, to the lip skin. Helps to heal dry and chapped lips, and also acts as a best normal moisturizer for your lip. Like, it helps greatly. You always need to apply something that will nourish your lip. The first step is to exfoliate your lip. Second step is to keep it well moisturized. Third, you can either brighten or just decide to leave it. So beetroot is not only to add color to your lip, also help to moisturize, nourish, and give your lip a younger look. Try to get beetroot, try to get sugar. So the next one to get is Vaseline. So I don't joke with Vaseline. Vaseline is one item that I love a lot because you can use it as a moisturizer all the time alone before you go to bed. Okay, you can also use it to make a lip scrub. It helps to get rid of dryness. Not every time you have to be applying lipstick. You have to try natural way that will nourish your skin, supply nutrients in your skin. That is why I added that beetroot. So these 3 wonderful ingredients are all you need to make a very good homemade lip scrub and lip balm together. So what I did, remove the back of the beetroot, then the inner part is what you have to chop into smaller size. You just need a little piece. A little can add so much pigments into this. So you have to try a way to squeeze out the juice from it, or you blend just a little water to blend to get a little juice of beetroot. Add about few drops of it, or half tablespoon of beetroot juice. Then you have to add about 2 tablespoons or 1 tablespoon of sugar. Of course, the lip skin is very small, so you don't really need too much of this treatment, except you want to store it in a container for later use. So the next one I added is Vaseline. Because you are making a balm as well, like 2 in 1, you have to add 1 tablespoon of Vaseline. So that was what I did here. Then you have to mix together. So after mixing up, this is what you have to do. Take part of the treatment, because of the sugar in it, use it to scrub. Wet your lip and scrub Look at it. You have to scrub. There's a little sugar in mine. As you're scrubbing it, it will help to get rid of dead skin cells, you know. Then you have to do this for a little while. Then you have to wash it out. So after scrubbing for some time, then you have to leave it and allow it to stay for about 10 minutes 15 minutes, just to stay. Okay, do not be in a hurry to wash it out. So after 15 minutes 20 minutes, just wash it out. You will notice that your lip will be very smooth and well moisturized. So after rinsing it out, then you have to do the next thing. So I'm going to leave it on for some time. Just wash it out. I'll be right back. So this is mine. So please focus on the lip. Okay, we are taking care of the lip here. So this is mine. So smooth. You can see some of the pigments of beetroot is still remaining, and because beetroot is a food, like is something that penetrates to nourish, this is very lasting. Imagine doing it once, you get this look. So when you're consistent with it, you will notice that your lip will be getting brighter, very smooth, very soft, so beautiful. It's been a while I did mine, about 1 month. Can you imagine? I really took so long because I'm always busy. So just use it to scrub. Okay, so nice. So in case you don't want to prepare for yourself, we have great skincare products. We also have very good quality lip care for you to take care of your lip skin, to look beautiful, you know, to just have a very smooth, attractive lip. With no makeup, with no lip balm, you just love your lip. So after rinsing it out, you have to apply a little Vaseline. This is what I love doing every night before I go to bed. I just love it. Vaseline is multi-purpose. You can also apply it on your feet before you go to bed to smoothen and soften your feet. You can apply it on your hands, like multi-purpose. You will love it. So Vaseline will keep that area moisturized all through the night, preventing dryness. Anytime you make use of a scrub like this, you need to moisturize your lip. If it's your skin, you need to moisturize your skin with a good quality product like ours. So contact us through that WhatsApp or call us. We supply internationally, both local and anywhere. Alright, so go on and make yours. You can store it in a container. So if you want it to stay longer, just add preservative and you're all good. Alright, so I'm just loving everything about this. So try it every day or 3 times weekly for best results. Mostly at night before you go to bed, once daily. So go on and try it and thank me later. Your lip will look so well nourished. Any age, no matter the age you are, go on and try this. You see, I have so much oily skin, and though I have a very good product that help to keep it at bay, like helping to control excessive oil for all skin types. So go on and try this lip care and you love it. Thank me later. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, also share this video and like this video. I will see you in my next video. Look at the one I stored. The one I stored for my own use. We have very good one. We have scrub, lip balm, contact us. We also have a cute container that is not like this, a cuter container. Ciao.